JDCap26 here to do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got a Leatherman signal, but it's in a aftermarket case from Leatherman. You can get this case. It has double loops on both sides. And I put a ferro rod on this side, an extra one, and a flashlight on this side. This flashlight is about 12 bucks on Amazon, and it's a really good one. It comes with a little glow-in-the-dark thing you can put on the end, but I don't carry it with that. That's just still in the box. I showed you the flashlight, I think, in another video. Anyway, this is a great pouch. Okay, it's leather. You can condition it with, any wax or anything like that. It's got the belt loop here, and it's got a backpack loop here. Go through the backpack. Okay. When you get this tool, it comes with just a nylon case. Okay, so here's the tool. All right, and you've got a blade here with a rope cutter here, straight cut here. Okay, and that's not a Tonto blade. That's a I think it's called shepherd blade, and it's got a liner lock. And then it's got a little nib here for your saw. Now the saw, you could go and make a little lean tool in the woods with pine branches and cut branches with this, a very sharp saw. And you can make actually a tent out of pine branches with that. I've done it before. So you close that up. It's got a liner lock. This side, you push this button down and you push this back like that. This is the sharpener to sharpen your knife, okay? And it's got various angles here to sharpen it. To put it back, you put it in there like this. Put the button down and push it up. So you push the button down to open it and take it off. And then you put it in there, push the button down, and push it up like that, okay? Let's open the tool up. The tool has a replaceable cutter, has a wrench, it has needle nose pliers. I don't believe you get an extra cutter with this kit. I'll have to check the box, but I'm not sure. So you can get those, right online. Over here on this tool, this is on the right side and it's on the knife side. You get all these tools in here. You get an awl, can opener, and you get the hex bit thing here, which is reversible. You can put it like that to a flat screw, or Phillips head. In the kit here, I don't have it in this kit. You can buy the extra bits for that. I think it's like 20 bucks for one slider, plastic slider of bits. I have that in my titanium. So you just close these all up like this. They have finger things here to pull the tools out. So that's how you get at them. These little finger grooves. Let's go to the notorious whistle. So you place your finger on this side of the ferro rod. This is the ferro rod to signal, and you pull the spring back and then you push it out gently. It'll pop and go flying, let me tell you. So that's the whistle right there. It's a very loud whistle to signal if you're lost, people searching for you. You keep whistling. This is the ferro rod. Now the ferro rod you can strike with the knife. Let me see if I can close this without killing my hands. You take the knife out and you go at a 45-degree angle over your head, not directly over your head, and you strike the ferro rod to make sparks. Okay. They show a different tool to use on the ferro rod. And you make sparks at night, and you could make a fire and make a signal fire to show where your location is. So that's how you signal with the ferro rod. So let's put this tool back in. So there's a little lip here, okay, right there, and that goes underneath on that side right there. You see it? And then it snaps in like that. So you take your thumb, go like this, and push it out, and push it in. That's how you take the whistle out. Don't drop your whistle at night. You'll never find it unless you have a flashlight. So it's locked in there like that. It's a pretty good tool. You can get this in various colors. You can get it in blue, green, tan. I think red. I'm not sure. I think red. And of course, it has this belt hook here. I don't recommend using the belt hook. Putting on a belt loop on your pants, because the belt loop could break, and this can go push in, and you'll lose the tool. It's got a little 1/4 inch hex nut for hex bits right there. You can put the bits in there and turn things. I don't have a bit readily available to do that, but it's got a belt clip, pocket clip they call it, and you put it in your pocket. I never wear it that way. I always wear it on the belt or on the backpack. And the belt clip is pretty strong. You could take it off if you want, if you have the right tool, and take it off the tool if you want. Just leave it on, and it fits nicely in this case. So get yourself the leather case. I would highly recommend that. Get yourself another ferro rod, a better one. You can find that on Amazon. Get yourself, a halfway decent flashlight. There's a couple choices on Amazon you can get that with. Good tool. I really like this tool. This is the camping tool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you can, please. It helps me pay for medications that I'm on. And have a nice day. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Thanks, guys.